Spring in the mango orchard is a quiet shift, seamless yet full of purpose. Mornings start wrapped in warm fog, the kind that makes the world feel slower. Then the sun gets to work, light slipping through branches heavy with flowers, heavier than anyone around remembers seeing before. Mango trees don't take spring lightly. It's their season to set the future. Their pollen is heavy, built for insects, not the wind. They time their bloom with rising temperatures, knowing warmth speeds up pollination. Some trees, instead of blooming, push out fresh, tender leaves, red, copper and green, stretching into the light, taking their own path into the season. Pollinators arrive, moving like they know the script, trading nectar for pollen, securing the next harvest. But before all this begins, we clear the weeds with the rotavator, making sure nothing competes for space, and spray organic pesticides, gentle but firm, so the flowers aren't lost to pests before they even get their chance. Beneath it all, a quiet exchange continues. The trees pull nutrients from the soil, but they also give back. Fallen leaves returning as mulch, roots holding the earth together, life cycling in a way that feels effortless but isn't. By evening, the heat lets go, a cool breeze taking its turn. As the weeks pass, the heat deepens, the flowers fade, and in their place, tiny green mangoes begin to take form. It's all connected, effortless, like nature running on instinct, while we overthink everything.